This is the transfer function to state space interactive calculator, which converts transfer functions into state space representations for control system analysis. Let's walk through the inputs. First, we have a drop-down menu for calculation mode with 5 options: controllable canonical form, observable canonical form, diagonal modal form, Jordan canonical form, and companion matrix form. For this demonstration, I'm using controllable canonical form. Next, enter your numerator coefficients, b, as comma-separated values. Then input your denominator coefficients, a, the same way. There's also a system poles field specifically for diagonal or Jordan forms, which we won't need for this example. For our worked example, I'll enter 1, 2, 3 for the numerator coefficients and 1, 4, 5, 2 for the denominator coefficients. After clicking Convert to State Space, the calculator generates the state space matrices. The output displays your A matrix, which represents the system dynamics, the B matrix for input coupling, the C matrix for output relationships, and the D matrix for direct feed-through. These matrices fully describe your system in state space form, ready for modern control analysis and design. This tool streamlines the conversion process that would otherwise require manual calculations. Find the link in the description below.